Happy New Year, class! In the first month of 2022, I'd love to share my speech with you, which is entitled, Freshen Up Our Perspective for the New Year. Hello, January. It's time to hit the reset button. The fresh start of the new year inspires us to break our old habits and accomplish personal goals. Now, we're in a perfect month, January, to freshen up our perspective for the new year. But how? If you ask if there are any winning strategies that can help us achieve, you bet. First of all, let's check out the most determining factor that contributes to happiness and success, or unhappiness and failure, our thoughts. Ask yourself, what do you do on a regular basis to polish out your thoughts? Well, I guess introspection, because we do that easily at any time, anywhere. Yet research shows that people spend 1/3 to 1/2 of our waking life not living in the present. As everyone knows, dwelling on the past events, imagined scenarios, and other internal chatter only causes into trouble, negative thought loops, and makes us feel worse. One natural solution to this problem is to take a time out. Make a pause and zoom out. That's because we often get so absorbed in thinking, overthinking, that we don't always think about why we are doing so. Scientists also suggest using distanced self-talk to regulate an internal emotional reaction to an upsetting external event, as if it's happening to somebody else. For example, imagine someone scolding you on the phone. Let's say it's your inner critic, and you hold the phone away from your ear, listening from afar without reacting. Trust me, distance self-talk works like magic. It keeps our internal chatter at bay. Another effective way to rethink our thoughts to gain perspective is to talk to others. Instead of venting, talk to those who not only allow you to express your emotions, but also help broaden your horizon. Writing also helps organize our thoughts and assess what we know. Writing encompasses planning, drafting, monitoring, and evaluating thought processes in pre, during, and post-writing. Our thoughts indeed control how our brain functions. How we think translates into actual structural changes in our brain through neuroplasticity. That's the ability of our brain to change, as well as changes in every cell of our body. This year, instead of letting our thoughts run wild, let's foster a controlled thinking mindset. With this mindset, we learn to actively engage with each thought by analyzing it before deciding to accept or reject. If our thoughts get well controlled and nurtured, they effectively affect our perspective and creep into all areas of our lives, which will impact our overall happiness and success in a new year. Thank you for your attention.